So what'd you build today?
So we got two gaming PCs right here, from budget to nice and expensive. Two totally different use cases, but this one right here, our budget one, is an i5-10400F, a GTX 1660 Super, a V460, a 1TB NVMe, 16 gigs of DDR4, a 550-watt 80 plus bronze, and this is inside of the MSI codecs. We actually used to have about 16 of these builds for sale, but this one, funny enough, has one bad USB 3 port, so we're actually doing $75 off this whole build just because of that one bad port. So only $650 for a esports and even AAA title machine. Now this one over here definitely takes the bread in terms of high end. This one features the Ryzen 7 7800X3D and the RTX 4070 Ti from PNY. We have an MSI Pro X670, 1TB Gen 4 Crucial, G-Skill Trident Z5 32 gig 6000 megahertz, a Syncotep 850 watt 80 plus gold modular, an Arctic 420 millimeter radio. That's right, 420 mil. And this is the Thermaltake Series 500 ARGB case, which is a full ATX or even eATX case, and this one would be $2,350. So yeah, two totally different price ranges, but that's what PCBros is about, is having a price for everyone. So go check us out, PCBros.tech. Use code ToastyBros2 for 2% off today.